Hello everyone. In today's video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to set up your TikTok shop account to successfully list products. First, go to Account Settings to fill in any missing information. Start with User Manager. In this section, you can add other users to manage the shop together. Assign permissions, enter their email address, then click Submit. Next, update your shop information. For example, rename your shop or add a logo. You can use TikTok's automatic image creation tool, or design your logo yourself using Canva. Then, update your bank account information. Here, there are two different accounts. One account is to receive payments, and the other is to pay for fees you use on TikTok, such as advertising costs. The receiving account must be the primary account, with the same name as your verification documents. You should enter bank information corresponding to the country where you opened your shop. For the payment account, you can add an international credit card. If you haven't run ads yet, you don't need to update this payment account information. Next, update shipping and return information under warehouse settings. If you do dropshipping or higher fulfillment services, enter the warehouse or third-party address. If you have your own warehouse and ship directly to customers, enter your personal warehouse address. Also, note that you must switch to seller shipping and create a shipping template in advance. TikTok Shop also offers a feature that estimates shipping costs based on location and package weight. After setting up this information, go to the affiliate section to enable affiliate collaboration. And set the commission rate to encourage TikTokers to create product introduction videos for you. That basically completes the account setup steps. You only need to keep in mind the two most important details. First is the bank account to receive payments, and the second is the shipping and return address. Once these details are updated, you can start listing products for sale. You can also set individual commissions for each product. If you want to run ads, you must link to a regular TikTok account. In the next part, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to list products on TikTok Shop most effectively. From keyword research, image selection to writing product descriptions. Thank you for watching the entire video. Please like and subscribe to Hidemyacc's YouTube channel so you won't miss the next part of the TikTok Shop Selling Guide series. If you have any questions, please contact Hidemyacc's support team via live chat for the fastest assistance. Wishing you success!